So this is what it looks like after I glued the handles on. So now I just got to finish it up, grind them down. This is some walnut I had left over from a stock, from a gun stock. Some leftover material. So I thought, it might look nice. Give it a try. This is really a working knife anyway for me, so I don't want it to be too fancy because I'm going to actually use this thing. I'm going to test out my work. So, anyway, next step, got to grind it off. Got a few little bits in here that I had a heck of a time and I really didn't get them out. I don't know if this will focus good enough for that. But, all in all, came out pretty nice. Just gotta finish up now. Almost there.